I'm Kevin, and today I've got a little problem. My solar motion detector lights that I can turn off and on don't want to work nearly as well anymore. In fact, I have one off the back that is so cloudy that it won't actually charge so the light will shine. So I looked at ways that I could take care of this that would be inexpensive. With our 5x8 cargo camper conversion trailer, it is very, very important that we have these exterior lights. A lot of times we are camping off grid and you come outside. The nice thing is when you come by, it actually clicks on. You can see what you're doing. However, if they don't charge, it defeats the purpose. So I was looking for an economical option to fix this. So I started looking at some sandpaper. I was just gonna use a little bit of sandpaper, kind of wet sand it and whatnot. But the sandpaper was like $5 for a pack of 400 grit and then like $5 for a pack of 2000 grit. So I looked over and there's some headlight restore from Turtle Wax, and it's got a little pad on number one side and the number two. The number one's a little rougher, the number two's a little smoother, and it even has a gel that you can use to help sand the area with, and then it provides an acrylic wipe to actually protect it going forward. So I thought, well, hey, for half the price of even the sandpaper, I can use this and I can seal it up when I'm done. So what we're going to do today is we're going to start off with side number one, a couple of dabs of the liquid here, and we are going to polish this back up to where it can actually get the sun to come through and charge the battery. My little pad's got side number one, side number two. I'm going to put just a couple of quick little dollops of the agent here on there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start just kind of gently using that on the solar panel. Just using light pressure, not too harsh, but enough that you can kind of feel it working. And I'm going to keep it well lubricated. Just going to use a cloth here real quick to wipe off this area and kind of see where we're at so far. Okay, so I'll look at how you can actually see the stuff now. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple more dollops of the wax type polish, and we're going to use side number two now, which is a much higher grit, to kind of get a polish. Okay. And you can see the stuff, the corrosion that was wiped off. And I'm going to wipe it off again. So I'm going to use a slightly damp cloth just to make sure that I have all of the polishing agent out of the cracks and stuff around there. I'll wipe off the top really well. Have a fresh paper towel just to make sure it's dry. The next step in this is to use this ceramic acrylic wipe, which is going to protect this surface. Now, this was the last one. I actually had completed the other ones ahead of time to make sure it worked before I felt myself doing this one for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one wipe. It comes with two. I'm going to go around and wipe this top surface of all of the ones that I've prepared so far. So if you'll follow me. Okay, that's number one. Number two. Number three. So this is a quick, inexpensive way to do it, and there's enough in the pack that I can do it again next year. The acrylic stuff I just put on is supposed to be good, protect it for a year, and then I still have enough of the stuff left in the bottle and the sanding disc, so I can do it all over again next year and just make sure that we're continuing to use these for as long as we possibly can. For links to the product to use, for step-by-step instructions, for additional items, you can visit our website, www.befreebenson.com. For more how-to videos like this, click the link on the screen, or you can visit our channel at Be Free Benson DIY. If you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button. It really does help us more than you know. Remember, doing things yourself, stepping outside the box, allows you to be free. All right, we will see you in the next video.